In a major crackdown on illegal weapons stockpiles, security forces comprising Manipur Police, Assam Rifles, Army and Central Armed Police Forces (CAPFs) have recovered massive cache of arms, ammunition and warlike materials during coordinated search operations across multiple hill districts of Manipur. The operations conducted over the past few days targeted interior and suspected areas of Churachandpur, Farjol, Kangpokpi, Chandal and Technopol districts. Acting on specific intelligence inputs, the joint teams launched simultaneous operations that led to the seizure of a large quantity of weapons and explosives. The weapons seized are 8 AK series rifles, 2 Imphal rifles, 1 self-loading rifle SLR, 1 sniper rifle with telescope, 1 M4 rifle, 2.303 rifles, 4 carbines, 40 numbers of 12-bore guns, 8 9mm pistols, 1 number of .22 rifle, 14 country-made pistols, 4 lethets, 1 shotgun, 5 bolt-action rifles, 45 single-barrel rifles, 8 double-barrel guns, 31 pumpy country-made modified weapons. Among these, 39 improvised explosive devices, 13 hand grenades and 1,600 rounds of assorted ammunition were recovered. Also seized were 4 binoculars, 15 communication sets and 1 telescope. Meanwhile, Manipur Police described the operations as a major accomplishment in the ongoing efforts to restore peace and public order in the state. Director General of Police have urged the public to cooperate with security forces and report any suspicious activities or information regarding illegal arms to the nearest police station or the central control room.
Extensive search operation in the hill district of Manipur the last few days, acting on specific intelligence regarding the presence of large cache of arms, ammunition and other warlike materials concealed in various locations. Coordinated operations were launched simultaneously at multiple sites in the interior and suspected areas of Churachandpur, Farjol, Kangpokpi, Chandel and Technopol district by joint teams comprising of Manipur Police, Assam Rifles, Army and CAPF. This continued intelligence-led operation in the Hill District represents a major accomplishment for Manipur Police, Assam Rifle, Army and other security forces in our continued mission to restore peace, uphold public order, and safeguard the lives and property of citizens.